Ready, start. This suit has been filed by the Union of India seeking possession of the suit property as also other ancillary reliefs including damages and earned profits. Full stop. The prayer also sought interest at the rate of 18% per annum for the amount pending rent, occupation charges, damages, and misuser charges, etc., to the Land and Development Officer from 9th November 1987. Full stop. A subsequent suit was filed being MS Express Newspapers Limited and others versus Union of India and another seeking relief against notice of re-entry and ejection dated 2nd November 1987 issued by Land and Development Officer to MS Express Newspapers Limited and others declaring them as illegal. Full stop. By way of background, it deserves to be noticed that initially Express newspapers were allotted plot numbers 1 and 2, which were close to the Tilak Bridge, ITO, New Delhi. Full stop. These plots were part of the 10 plots which were earmarked for the press or publications and were loosely termed as the press enclave. Full stop. Para. It is averred that due to a specific request made on behalf of the then Prime Minister Pandit Nehru, as per the record, the founder of the Express newspapers, Mr. Ramnath Goenka, surrendered plot numbers 1 and 2 and as an alternative present plot numbers 9 and 10 were allotted as the said plot numbers 1 and 2 were to be allotted for the establishment of the Gandhi Memorial Hall. Full stop. The intended lease agreement for plot numbers 9 and 10 was executed on 17th November 1952 and the agreement for lease was entered on 26th May 1954. Full stop. During construction, an underground sewer pipeline was discovered. Full stop. This resulted in a change in the construction which was planned for the building and a revised allotment was made. Full stop. The terms of the revised allotment dated 11th April 1956 were that the building line should be 25 feet away from the east side of the central line of the sewer and excavation of foundation shall not be less than 20 feet away from the central line of the sewer. Full stop. Consensus was arrived at to undertake construction only east of the drain until the drain is shifted. Full stop. The revision was made accordingly and the allotment took place by which the two plots were divided diagonally. Full stop. As per this revised lease, the allotment of land was made officially. Full stop. Para. A perpetual lease deed was then executed after the construction of the building in terms of the revised allotment, wherein clauses 2.7 and 2.13 stipulated certain restrictions. In essence, the suit premises will not be used for any other purposes apart from newspaper press and certain residential flats. Full stop. However, by then permission was sought by Express newspapers for using the building and the surplus area for non-newspapers purposes, in a sense for general commercial purpose. Full stop. Correspondence ensued between the parties in this regard. Full stop. Finally, on 15th January 1960, permanent change of purpose was permitted in respect of 1 lakh square feet out of the total 1.50 lakhs, subject to payment of additional premium at rupees 3 lakh per acre. Full stop. Pursuant to this understanding, which was arrived at between the parties. Various commercial lessees or tenants were inducted by express newspapers. Full stop. According to the L&DO, however, formal permission was still required from the ministry, which, as per express newspapers, was not required. Full stop. Various demands were raised by L&DO in the year 1962, which, according to the defendants, stood paid. Full stop. The supplemental lease deed was then executed on 17th November 1964, which recognized the use of 1 lakh square feet for a non-newspaper purpose, in a sense general commercial purpose. Full stop. Para. Express newspapers applied to the Ministry for Works and Housing for shifting of the sewer pipe line to enable the land located west of the drain to be made usable, as they wanted to start a Hindi newspaper and interconnect the proposed building with the existing one. Full stop. Thereafter, it was acknowledged that DDA has permitted 300% floor area ratio, and so the new construction should not exceed the same. Full stop. Thus, it was requested that the plot should only be treated as a commercial complex. Wide letter dated 31st December 1977. Full stop. Express newspapers had also approached the Delhi Water Supply and Sewage Disposal, and upon the feasibility of shifting being confirmed by and MCD, Express newspapers agreed to reimburse both these authorities the actual cost of reconstruction of the drainage and the shifting thereof. Full stop. Subsequently, the DWSSB gave its approval to shift the existing trunk barrel wide their official letter. Full stop. Express newspapers again sought approval for construction of a 5-storied building, which was the original plan. Full stop. A 3-member committee from the ministry inspected the land, and on 9th June 1978, and the construction was permitted, subject to the sewer line being diverted. Full stop. The Urban Arts Commission also permitted the approval for the additional construction. Full stop. Overall,